Anyone happy and excited to be here this morning? Wow, grabe. Pero may galit kayo, no? Anyone forced to be here, napilitan lang kasi may memo. Sabi ni Verge. Whether you're happy and excited to be here or you're forced to be here, I'd like to acknowledge and honor you for choosing to be here on time. I feel your respect, I feel your commitment, and above all, I feel that you're all responsible. Let's give everyone a big, big round of applause. Right? So welcome to your first ever Leadership Summits. Pinapalakpakan po yan, no? Pakitig namin katabi mo kung leader ba talaga. Wow. Yung iba talagang walang action, yung iba nanonood lang, no? So, okay lang ba? I will be introducing myself since I will be with you the whole day. Yes or yes? So, my name is Ras Huson. Can everyone say hi, Ras? Please do not call me sir. No? A lot of people, when they see people standing in front of the stage, they always people call sir. No? At lalong-lalong ma'am, wag mo akong tawagin ma'am. Klaro naman lalaki ako. Klaro ba? And I notice a lot of you are younger than me. I'm 53 years old this year. Hindi halata, di ba? Si Roda, kabatch ko yan, hindi ba? I'm 53 years old this year. So if you are younger than me, anyone younger than me, raise your hand. Huwag kayong magkuya sa akin, hindi magkapatid. Klaro ha? At lalong-lalong ate. Klaro tayo? So just call me Ras. Can everyone say hi, Ras? A lot of people call me Coach Ras, and I am so happy and excited to be here back in Davao. I arrived last night, and I will be here for 2 days with you to support you in your leadership journey. Are you excited? I was born and raised here in Davao, so taga Davao po ako, pinapalakpakan din yan, no? And I'm just happy simply because the type of work that I do is to empower people, no, to see their own greatness. Because when the moment you start seeing your own greatness, that's where you start to see yourself capable. So therefore, when something is happening in your life and you know it's hard, you know that you know deep in your heart you're capable. Do you agree? And just to anchor this on, no, because what I'll be sharing with you is not just for your company's benefit. In fact, the way I see it, whatever I'm sharing with you, direct impact nito is ikaw, your family. Maybe third is the company. So you're blessed. Ask me why. Because you have a company who cares for you. Sa totoo lang, no, hindi po kami murang maningil. No? In fact, in Manila, when I do this, minimum fees I charge is 15,000 per head. No, in fact, every weekend, we have seminars. Last weekend, I already have 146 participants from all over the country. Every weekend po yan. People who sees me on my reels, people who sees me on TikTok, they all enroll themselves, pay on their own, simply because they see the value of what I will do. So, okay lang ba for the next few hours, I will anchor this to your future self. Okay lang ba yon? Which means, how many of you here, you want to be more excited about your future? Raise your hand. Wow. Which means, thank you. You want to see a brighter future? Yes or yes? Crisis-free life? Yes or yes? And that's how you want to anchor it. And that's why I truly appreciate and honor your management. Palakpakan natin sila. Simply because, again, this type of seminars, we don't normally offer this to corporate because this is normally for public seminar, which is people who wants a bigger dream in their life. They attend it, they pay it on their own, but your company paid this for you. So which means you're valuable, you're important to them, and I'm here to give it all of who I am. Maraming salamat. No? So, pwede bang magyabang? I'm just so proud about myself, no? Simply because I'm here standing in front of you. Siguro wala na akong pangarap for myself. Ask me why. Kasi hindi ko na pinapangarap, afford ko na yan. Okay ba yung ganon? Like, some of you, you've been dreaming to have, a well-balanced body, fit, and healthy body. Raise your hand. Right. Thank you. Ako, no, all my life, I don't know, Rod, if you remember grade school, no, all my life, it's 40-inch waistline, 240 pounds. Talagang I'm really big, no? And as of now, no matter what I do, I keep my health at my fitness level at the highest level, high energy. Is that something that you want to learn today? Yes or yes? And that is what you call self-leadership. You cannot lead other people not unless you cannot lead yourself. Tama ba? And which means if you want to lead yourself, you make sure you can lead yourself to create the fitness level, the energy level, the health level that you want. That's the first point. Are we good? Above all, no, I used to work for one company only. And the reason why I know your company because I think I have engagement with Pioneer Trading. No? And I remember Roda there and Ma'am Baby Sarona. I was serving them. And I was so proud, no? Kasi ako po yung lumaking feeling ko bobo ako. No? Anyone just like me, feeling nyo bobo kayo? Wow, mga honor. Diba? Si Gold proud, diba? Right? Kasi bakit? No, ako yung bata sa school na bagsak yung grade. I have to move from one school to another school. In fact, I was kicked out in Stella Maris. Kasi yung Stella Maris, yung basis doon ng grades doon is sa ibang school kasi pag pasado kayo out of 10 dapat 5 yung score mo. Sa Stella Maris dapat 8, no? So grade 4 ako, I was kicked out not because I was a bad boy but because my grades cannot actually match the school's requirements. So I was moved from one school to another school up until college. Nagtapos naman din ako ng pag-aaral. Eto lang, no? When I was applying in 1992, maalala nyo, wala pa mga email. No? Talagang door to door. Right? So, siguro 100 company ko, hulaan nyo ilang company tumanggap at ilang company tumawag sa akin para lang tanggapin ako sa 100. None. Klaro ba? Kasi nga, my grades was a reflection of judgment na bobo. This is the worst part. Pakisabi, what's the worst part? Bobo na pangit pa. So kung nakikita niyo gwapo kayo, ask me why. May budget na. Diba? Pag nagkaka-budget, gumagwapo at gumaganda. Pakisabi sa katay mo yung friend, tapos tingnan mo yung mukha niya. Uy, ito judgmental, oh. Oh, di ba? Sabi ni Red, may budget ka. Di ba? Pakisabi, friend. What to nigga? Friend. Mukhang may budget ka na. Klaro ba? Klaro ba yon? So pag nagkaka-budget, gumaganda talaga. Lalong-lalo Valentine's. Sino walang Valentine's bukas? Mag-budget ka kasi. Nadadaan sa budget yan. Klaro ba? And not even McDonald's or Jollibee want me to be part of their organization. Ask me why. Communication skills. You know, my English was just 5 sentences. None of them wanted me, no? Except there was this one company called Philips who was looking for somebody to clean their home, to clean their showroom for 1 month lang, December. Alam mo yung contractual. And maybe I'd like to share with you this journey, and maybe if you can learn, you can write concepts that will allow you to see your leadership. Is it okay? That when I entered my first job, I realized somebody in my life changed the course of my life today. That's why I'm here. I'm here standing in front of you, running 7 companies, more than 1,000 people in my organization, enjoying 7 to 8 figures on a monthly basis net of tax. Pinapalakpakan po yan. From a janitor to a promodizer to a salesman, sales supervisor. Imagine, until 35-year-old, I retired as an international key accounts manager taking care of 5 countries. Hindi kayo na-impress? Pinapalakpakan po yan. And perhaps, why am I sharing this? Because again, who I want to talk really are leaders. Ask me why. You have the capacity to change somebody's lives. And maybe today, this is something that will allow you to be excited about work. And okay lang ba, before I do my spills, to attach what I've learned as my journey towards where I'm right today? Now, where am I today? Even if I don't do anything financially, okay, in the next 50 years, I can still live the same lifestyle. Sobrang blessed. No? What lifestyle, no? Sino somehow dito napanood niyo na ako sa Reels, sa TikTok, sa Instagram? Ay talaga. Thank you. Sikat na rin pala ako, no? Kahapon sa airport may gumanon-ganon. Are you Coach Ras? Ko na pictures with you. Sige po. No? So parang somehow, no, it amplified what I do on social media. But if you look at all I do is play. All I do is to have fun. And perhaps that's the inspiration I want to give you. Okay, some of you, in the next 20, 30 years, think what will you be doing? Because not all of us will be here for the rest of our lives. Tama ba? But what we'll do after that, and maybe this will help you see yourself excited in the future. Is this something that I can support you with today? But let's start first with principles that I learned. The first principle I learned in leadership is that I realized that I was not working for a boss nor a manager. I realized at that time I was working already for a mentor. So what's the difference between a mentor and a boss? A boss is someone who will develop their people directly towards what? Towards their job. So they can perform better. Tama ba? But a mentor is somebody who actually nurtures, cares, and develop a person to be better human being so that when they're on the job, they can create whatever they want to create. They're at home, they can actually be better human being. That's what happened to me. So why am I sharing this with you? Because right now, I'm mentoring a lot of people who I feel have changed the course of their lives, and I'm inviting them also to mentor other people so that they can change the course of lives. And maybe this is your biggest role right now, to see your role differently, to become a mentor. So I had a mentor. Did that make sense? Number 2, the biggest thing I learned from my mentor is kahit anong ibigay sa'yo, no complaint, no criticism, but maybe it was implanted me at 20 or 21-year-old, the attitude of gratitude. Which means no matter what's going on in your life, take it on. Whether it's maganda or pangit, just always be grateful. Since the first position that was given to me, janitor, do you think I was very happy and proud naging janitor ako at my first job? Yes or no? I wasn't. Kasi wala namang nangarap, paglaki ko, gusto ko maging janitor. Wala namang ganon, di ba? But that was the only job available for me. I took it. And all I had was thank you because company trusted me and allowed me to show who I am on a day-to-day basis. But here's the thing, what I learned is don't just be grateful, kasi kung grateful lang ko, baka hanggang ngayon janitor pa rin ako. Kontento na. Repeat after me, do not be contented. Ready, begin. Always be grateful. But this is one thing I learned. Number 3, which was the biggest lesson I got from my boss. Malasakit. What's the word? What does it mean? You treat anything and everything as if it's yours. Can you imagine my work ethic that was developed when I was starting was really to give it all of who I am, kasi that's the display of how I really care of what I do. Hanggang ngayon, at age 53, nakatatak pa rin sa akin na malasakit, which means whether I'm paid or not, I'm gonna give it all because that simply shows who you are as a human being. That you care. That I care. And little did I know, me being the best is a display of care, and malasakit will bring me to where I'm right now. Totally excited about life. Is this making sense? But is that enough? No. I was introduced to making sure, don't just care, but make sure that you are growing on a day-to-day basis. Growth is imperative. So which means, number 4, what was introduced to me at that stage was personal development. And I was addicted to personal development. No, in fact, I was diagnosed with AIDS since 21. Up until daw lumala ang AIDS ko. Repeat after me. Acquired intelligence due to seminars. Buti na lang. You know, the moment I opened my mouth, no? Last weekend, I had 3 engagements. I was in the Take-Off Summit for 2 hours. It was a 300,000 contract. Not bad. Right? But on the same 2 days, I had public seminar wherein 146 people paid 15,000 each. Do your numbers. And on the same day, on the same Sunday, I had one talk. Small company, but it was consultancy. Where did I get that? My never-ending quest for personal growth and development. So I develop myself so I can develop other people. This is the best part. Pakasabi, what's the best part? I'm no longer involved in my own organization. Okay? The last time nagpakita ako, business talk was what? 6 months ago. So I have 7 companies. The last company I released was one company wherein I have 300 or more people. I said, malalaki na kayo, alam nyo na yan, hayaan nyo na ako kasi meron akong bagong trip. Sabi mo, Ras, anong bagong trip mo? Content creator yarn. So I launched myself out to be available in the world as a content creator. No, in 6 months' time, it 10x my business. Okay ba yan? Which means I got 4 bookings this year. It will start in Dubai to do seminar for OFWs. Okay? But I also have London, May. And then June in Texas. And then Japan in August. And we still have more requests. Coming from where? Content creation. Did this make sense? And why am I able to do what I enjoy doing? Simply because I understand what leadership is. Leadership is all about you. Number 4 is to empower yourself so that you can empower other people. And that is something that I can support you, maybe lead you to create a new way of thinking of leadership. Of number 5, empowerment. What's the word? Because when you empower, what will happen to your own organization? Okay lang ba i-share ko anong effect nito when you empower yourself? It has to start with you. Are you with me? Then, you empower them. Kasi paano mo sila empower? Ikaw mismo hindi empowered. Klaro ba? But ano yung effect niyan? I want you to write effect number 1. This is what you call self-manage. What's the word? Which means, okay ba lahat ng tao mo hindi mo na kailangan pagsabihan? Kasi kusa. No, yung pag may binigay ka, hindi nila alam, sasabihin na, ma'am, hindi ko po alam yan, pero ma'am, aalamin ko, mamaya may solusyon na yan. Maganda ba yung ganon? Yeah, you were so blessed. Ask me why. New generation, specifically Gen Z. Are there people here who belong to the Gen Z generation? Right? Wag naman masyadong yung mga baby boomer. No, seriously, I've worked with 5 generation. Ask me who's my favorite. Gen Z. Kung alam mo pa paano sila mahalin. Kung alam mo pa paano sila i-lead. Because right now, I have more than 300 Gen Zs, no? Ranging from 18 to 24, 25, 26. All volunteer work. Lahat ng social media account ko, lahat ng negosyo ko, galing sa lahat. And we call that reverse mentoring. What is it? Maybe it's time for us to open our mind. Because by 2026, 90%, 95% of the population will come from this generation. So if we don't know how to handle them, saan tayo pupulutin? Kasi kakaiba sila. Napansin nyo? Unang-unang attention span. The engagement is very low. True or true? This is based on Gallup study. Right? Tapos needy. Papansin. Tama ba? Oh, yes. Diba? Magte-text sa'yo, good morning po. Tapos, ano? Na-hurt na kaagad kasi ano? Kasi hindi naintindihan anong kailangan nila. Pero pag nakuha mo sila, my God, they will work like crazy. May sweldo or wala, if you know how to handle them. You just don't know this. They just need a lot of feedback na may kasabay na recognition. Kasi wala naman sa atin yan eh. Tapos pag hinabigay, depressed ako. Diba? Suicidal ako. Gaga. Diba? Parang kumakain lang ng candy, sinasabi, wala naman sa amin yan. Uy, mag-depress ka, kumain ka lang dyan ng kanin. Di ba? But now, it's just normal for them. I mean, not to disrespect them, but That is how they are, their DNA for now. Because they grew up in social media. But here's the thing, if you capture them, my God, they're the best people to work with. Kaya ako ngayon, hayahay. What's the word? Because I only want to work with Gen Z in my own team. You know, I'm working with the son of Val, 18. Gumraduate ng high school, yung pinaka-prayer nilang mag-asawa, na sana mag-college. Talagang binulabog nila si Lord. Tapos biglang nagpaalam, I want to be an intern of Culturas. Kasi alam nila, pag nag-intern sa akin, hindi na magka-college yan. True enough. Now he's running his own business. Okay? In 6 months' time, it will be a multi-million business. That's how they are. Different breed. But if we don't know how to capture them, we cannot retain them. But if the new type of leadership is all about this, you become what? Self-managed. They need not to be told. They'll just do it. Maganda yun? Exciting. Self-motivated. Okay? Walang incentive. Okay lang. May incentive, okay lang din. But yung kanilang desire is no longer about incentive, but their desire is to make a difference. But above all, self-sustained. What does it mean? They will stay with you for the rest of your lives. So those are the type of breed that we need to start embracing as a leader. We need to start taking a look at it. Which means, in other words, pakisabi sa katabi mo, friend. Sabay-sabay, friend. Tayo na palang mag-a-adjust. Diba? Guys, wala tayong choice. Kasi hindi sila katulad ng generation ko. Dati, no, mumurahin ako ng boss ko, iiyak-iyak lang ako, tapos sasabihin sa akin nanay ko, ba't hindi ka mag-resign? Paano ang SSS ko? Diba? Sila, they don't care. Kahit walang pera, okay lang, iba. But if you capture them, my God, telling you, your life will be so easy, your life will be so fun. You can do more, a lot of things outside that. And maybe the most important part here is, are you willing to transform? When I say transform, not change, kasi yung change temporary eh. But when I say transform, you now create a bigger, larger container that every day there will always be challenges. But the question here is, with these challenges, with this change, with this struggle, can you rise above and be excited around it? And really thrive. And the way we rise and thrive is all about transformation. Are you excited? So here's what's going to happen, no? Because I really don't know what you really want. For today, would it be okay that I want to see here what is it that you want to create to make this one day valuable for you? To make you stay here. To make you use this as a springboard of what? A transformed life. Is this exciting? Right, so here's what's going to happen. In a moment, I'll ask all of you to stand and then put all your things on the side. So if you can go here in the middle of the room, no? And I want you to meet as many people as you can. Lahat ba kayo magkakakilala na? Not. Okay, so I want you to meet somebody yung hindi mo kakilala. Klaro? So pakisabi sa katabi mo, hindi na tayo pwede kasi magkakilala na tayo. Right? And then, listen up, introduce yourself. My name is Lou. I'm with HR Department. For today, ito yung gusto kong matutunan. For today, ito yung gusto kong makuha. And I want you to start declaring what is it that you want. In other words, I want to draw out expectation because I want to make sure that I'm just serving you whatever you want based on the objective. Right? Pero wag naman yung gusto ko matuto mang dancing, wag naman yung ganyan, di ba? Or singing, iba yon. But this is all about focusing on leadership. Are you with me? Are my instructions clear? Please stand up.